So yeah, I got the salmon at Whole Foods and I made a marinade. So this is a combination of soy sauce, maple syrup, and some garlic. Just mix it well. I like it when it's kind of like sweet, but not too sweet. That's how I kind of measure it, you know. And what we're going to do is just pour the marinade all over the salmon. Oh, I forgot to bag. Guys, I forgot something. I forgot to do something. We're not going to bake it just yet. We're going to put this in the refrigerator for 20 to 30 minutes. I forgot to get a bag. Let me do that. So yeah, I don't know why, but I forgot the bag, but I'm going to pour the marinade over it. Okay, so I just poured the marinade in here. We're going to close it up. And we're going to put it in the refrigerator 20, 30 minutes. I don't know. I'm just going to take a little nap when I come back from my nap. I'm going to put it in the oven. I think it's 20 to 30 minutes. I have a baked potato tonight as well and some asparagus. All right, guys, I just woke up from my nap. I took the salmon out of the plastic bag and we're just going to wrap it and bake it. Just took it out of the oven. It's very steamy, very hot. Yeah, looks pretty good. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today it's a Monday night. I thought I'd do a simple dinner and I'm kind of craving something healthy and I want to do more home cooking since fall's coming. So I just have some salmon, baked potato, and asparagus. And I got these little potatoes, like a bag of potatoes that are organic. They're kind of small, but I was like, you know, I don't need a baked potato. But I definitely love a baked potato in the oven. It's so moist. The way I cook it is crunchy on the outside. Yeah, I think it's enough baked potato. And some butter. And with asparagus, I like to have mayonnaise on my asparagus. Do you guys? And the other day I saw this really thick asparagus. It might have been thicker than this one. For like, it was at Whole Foods. I was, you know what? I just love fish or salmon with asparagus. And I think I might sprinkle a little bit of this Kinder Herbs blend on everything. And water to drink. Let's get this video started. All right, start with the salmon. This is how I make my salmon. It's good. It's from an All Recipes recipe. It's really moist and tender and a little sweet, a little savory. I like it. Something healthy. Yeah, today's Monday. So I like to always have an easier dinner on Mondays. But I'm not really that tired tonight. Tomorrow or Wednesday, my nephew Raymond might come over. We might do a Five Workers video. But I think I might do a lettuce wrap on the burger. Just so I can, you know, eat less carbs for a little bit. Yeah. Pretty good. That's a big potato. So, today at work, I saw Vanessa's video. Do you guys follow Vanessa White Randomness? She has a really cool video, 30 to 45 minute video on meal prepping. It's really cool. So I did text her today how she's doing. She said she's doing really good. Considering everything that's going on with her life. I don't really know all the details, but I guess her and her husband broke up. She's only living with her and her daughter right now at the moment. I also text Sauce Queen. She's doing really good as well, but she's very hot because she's in Texas. Who knows if we'll see her on a video again. Sauce Queen. But she has a great personality for she has a great personality for YouTube. Some asparagus. Good. I haven't had asparagus in so long. So in the fall, I want to do more cooking. So I want to eat more healthier too. I'm not going to say every meal is going to be healthy, but I want to try to eat more healthier. Question for you guys, especially a woman. If you're over 50, do you lose your appetite? I'm curious. Because my appetite, I'm just not hungry anymore like I used to be. Like I can just eat, I eat only one meal a day, maybe 2 times a meal a day. I have only 1 meal a day. And that was because when you get older, you might lose your appetite. Or I'm just bloated. Maybe I need to eat more low carb. Bears and Butters always tells me to eat low carb, that I'll feel much better. I do feel much better. A lot of times I'll do like a video to get, think you might get some good views. Like the new Sonic burger that came out, that smash burger. So as I'm eating this, I haven't uploaded the Sonic burger. I also did Little Caesars video, the Detroit pizza, and I cooked it the next day because my nephew, we had leftovers, and I baked it in the oven, and it was really crunchy. I think it might be a good video. I'm actually, after I eat this, I'm gonna edit that part of that video already. But yeah, sometimes I just do videos. I might crave it, but still, I might think, oh, this might be a really good video. So yeah, YouTube, I do mukbangs. It's like a cult, like Steven Fletcher says. This one girl, I used to follow her. I cannot believe she ate every meal I've talked to her, I wanted to collab with her. She kind of, it's like an ASMR video, but every day she ate bad foods, and not a lot. Like Jack Box, Burger King, Wendy's, like a lot, and ate everything. Crazy. I cannot eat fast food every day. There's no way. But she says she's going to try it for a year and see how it goes. Okay, I was saying good luck. But then I saw a video that I don't know if she's going to, I think she's going to change her content because after a year of posting bad videos, she only has 3,000 subscribers, which is really bad, kind of bad, I think. And honestly, mukbangs are not as popular as they used to be, so I don't really see why I don't know people why do them. But some people like farts and fresh. He's really skinny. It's really bad, so I think he works out every day or something. I think I was watching one of his vlogs. I think he works out or something. Yeah, but anyways, I kind of want to get back into ASMR as well. I want to manage my time more. Make more videos, but it's kind of hard. It's my schedule. Working 2 jobs, you know. But I thought if I get up early on the weekends, like Saturday, I got up around 9 a.m. and I was able to edit 2 videos in a day. I hardly ever edit 2 in a day. So that was really good. All right, I'm done with dinner. That was a very easy dinner, very fast. I thought we'd take a few bites of this Whole Foods cake. It's called the Berry Chantilly cake. I don't know if you ever had it, but I think it's one of their favorite cakes. Like the icing came off on this one, the top part. It's like a frosting with fruit, fresh fruit. Blackberries. There's blackberries in here. And whipped cream. I think it's like a pound cake. Also blueberries. It's very fresh. I like the whipping cream too. This cake is so good. Very refreshing. Oh, we got a raspberry in here. You guys, let me show you this raspberry. That raspberry. That's good. It's pretty good. So yeah, not much to talk about. Just a little bit of stuff. I'll be going to Santa Barbara soon. And after that, that's it for a while. To my next vacation. I know the subscribers don't want to meet. They want to go on a vacation in spring, but I was going to see my sister in the spring in Texas. I might. I haven't decided if I'm going to or not, though, actually. So I gotta think about when I want to see my sister, Darlene. I think I would like to do a vacation with her. It was kind of relaxing. We didn't really do much. It was just like, I took naps. Oh yeah, she made most of the meal. She told me when I came to see her last time, I didn't have to, she's like, it's your vacation. She heard I was burnt out from 2 jobs. She's like, I want you to just relax. You don't have to do any cleaning, you don't have to do any cooking. I was just like, she just made me feel so welcomed, and I don't know, it was a really good feeling. You know, she really cared about my wealth and well-being, and she wanted me to relax, you know. And maybe she could make me some other meals. Yeah, I think next week I might be making her Korean beef meal. I might. And so it's cool to visit her. I got to see what kind of meals she made. It's her own cooking. And I got to try some new recipes that she likes. And if I liked it, there's 2 I like. Korean beef one. And there's some kind of chicken chili in the crock pot that I want to make in the winter. So, if I don't see her in the spring, I don't want to see her in the summer because it's really, really hot. Like Sauce Queen said, it's hot in Texas. So I don't want to see her if it's at 100 degrees or more. And maybe 90 degrees, but not 100. I don't know. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next video. Peace.